everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're watching me, hello, my name is Irma, but you could call me Irmita. And if this is the second or third time you're watching my videos, welcome back. So today I have a very quick but a very informative video for you guys. I know a lot of yous are very new to makeup, and I want to show you different ways that you could apply color to your eyes and different products that you could use too. So if you want to learn all the little tips and tricks I have or different ways to apply color in your eye, please continue watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe though. Let's get to it. So I do want to start off with the basics. So we all know we have the eyeshadow palettes. Like for example, this one. This is from the Jaclyn Hill. I think this is the first one that came out. I'll go ahead and show it to you guys. It's this palette right here. Like you see, we do have the light colors and then the darker colors. So I typically like to use these colors obviously as shadows, but I do use them sometimes just as eyeliners. I would go ahead and take a brush like this. This is from Essence, and I would use this since this is more of an eyeliner brush. I would go ahead and dip into any of these colors and I would create a line as an eyeshadow line, or I would place the color on the bottom of the lash and just leave it as it is if you just want a pop of color. I did also want to mention that you can go ahead and take your eyeshadows and take a brush like this. For example, this is the Ulta Beauty brush. This is an eyeshadow brush. And you could go ahead and wet this with anything you have. I have the Yes to Coconuts Mystified Moisturizer. I love to use this stuff. I go ahead and wet my brush. And then I take any eyeshadow. For example, let's say I was to use this one. I would go ahead and pack this on my brush. And I would go ahead and either apply it here, also apply it on all over your lid, on the bottom over here. So some of you might not know that by wetting your brushes and using wet eyeshadows, it makes it more vibrant. So I love to use this, especially on my inner corner. I always like to use a color like any of these two, and I like to apply it here. It opens up the eye a lot. So I did want to go ahead and throw that in there. So we all know that we could use eyeshadow in different forms, right? So now I like to move on to bronzers as eyeshadows as well. This is from MAC. This is Give Me Sun. It's a mineralized skin finish. And I'll go ahead and show it to you guys. It's more of a bronzy metallic. I don't know if it's going to pick up on camera. Probably not. I like to use this as eyeshadow. Sometimes I like to use it as a transition color. So it's always good to use anything you have for more than just one thing. For example, like I said, this is to bronze or contour. It depends on what you like. And you can use this as eyeshadow too. And then blushes is something else I like to use as eyeshadow. This is from Makeup Revolution. This is the matte blush powder in nude. This is a pink. And I like to use this color all over my lid as well. This one is going to pick up on camera. Kind of see it. This is really cute by itself too. So these are more of the powder forms that I like. So now moving to the next one, obviously we have eyeliners. So for example, this is from Morphe. This is the color Richie. And this is a dark brown. Then I have this one that's from Sephora. It's a crayon. This is more like of a metallic purple, which I really, really like. And then another one from Sephora. This is a silver. This is a really stunning shade by itself too. It has glitter. So with eyeliners, what I like to do is a couple of things. So you could either put it inside the rim of your eye, or you can create a eyeliner and then with an eyeliner brush smudge it out if you want more of a smoky eye. Or you could go ahead and create a winged eyeliner. You could use it as a base for another eyeshadow on top, which is really cool. This next one is from Benefit, and this is a brow. This goes under your brows to make them more defined. It is white. I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you guys. It's right here. So with this, I like to apply this in my inner rim of the eye and then apply any kind of colored eyeshadow on top. It'll make it more vibrant. So now I'm going to move on to liquid lipsticks. I have a couple here that I'm going to talk to you guys about, but I do want to go ahead and mention before I show you these, try these things out if you guys want to. I am not telling you to go and do this. Some people are allergic to certain things. You just have to make sure that they're eye safe. I've used these for a long time and thank God nothing has happened. So just make sure anything you use around your eyes is eye safe. First ones I'm going to talk about that I have been using for a very long time are the Limecrime Matte Liquid Lipsticks. This is in the color Cement. It's a gray. And then this is in the color Teacup. It's a baby blue. So for these, there's so many different ways you can use them. I do them in my inner rim. Also, I create winged eyeliners with this. I also use them as eyeshadows, or apply this first and then apply an eyeshadow on top. And then also, I have these that are from Jeffree Star and the Shane Dawson collection. This is in the color Ryland. Very pretty pink. And then this is in the color I Gotta Go. And again, I like to use these as eyeshadows. You could also use them as eyeliners. And then I really like this one from Sephora also. This is the color, or this is in the number 10. It's an orange. So it just depends on what kind of eyeliner you want to make. You could use it as an eyeshadow base. It all depends on what you want. So now, moving on to lipsticks. I also like to use lipsticks on my eyes. This is the color Whirl from MAC. It is a mauve color. And then I also have, this is Mangrove. And it's an orange. I love this color for now, for summer. So I like to use this as eyeshadow bases. I apply it all on my lid and pat it out and leave it by itself. Or I usually like to apply some kind of eyeshadow on top. So now we're going to move on to lip glosses. I am into the wet eye look. So one of the ones that I use the most is the Hi-Fi Shine from Urban Decay. This is in the color Fuel, which is this brown one. And then I also like the Too Faced Sweet Peach, which is this one. I apply these on my eyes and just leave them as is, and it gives you a beautiful, beautiful effect. So now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how some of these look on the eye. So the first example I'm going to give you guys, I'm going to use the Benefit Eyebrow, which is a white eyeliner. I'm going to apply it in my inner rim, and I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm going to apply this blue shade, and I'm going to pat this in my eye. So as you guys can see, I just applied the white eyeliner, and it makes my eye look more awake. It makes it even look more lifted. I don't know if you guys can tell, because I could tell right away my face looks more awake, and that's something that I really like to do. So as you can see, you see the blue eyeshadow. It's a very, very cute pop of color. If you guys don't like to wear a lot of makeup, I do highly suggest this one. This is more on the softer side to me. It's really cute, and it's perfect for summer. The next one I want to show you guys is how to use the contour or bronzer as eyeshadow. This is Give Me Sun from MAC. This is a Morphe M505. I'm going to take it on the brush, and I'm going to apply it as eyeshadow. This is something very simple, guys, that you can do with any contour or bronzer shade. If you want something really quick and simple on your eyes. Like I said, this could be an all over lid color. And you know, you already got something cute going on your face, you know?
And like I always say in all my videos, guys, blend like there's no tomorrow. Blend like literally there's no tomorrow.
Now using the bullet lipstick, I'm going to go ahead and use the color Whirl, which is this one. I'm going to go ahead and apply this on the back of my hand. I'm going to take this brush and apply it on the bottom right here. I like to apply it on the back of my hand, guys, first to warm up the product, and then taking my little brush. I always like to start on the back, guys, and then work my way up front. So you can see this works like an eyeliner, but it's just lipstick, which is really, really cool. So now you could go ahead and set this with a eyeshadow or leave it as it is. For example, if I was to go set it, I would use a brown like this in this shade range, and I would go ahead and set that with a Morphe M506, or I would go ahead and use this skin finish and apply this right here. But for now, I'm going to leave it as it is. I like how it looks. You could go ahead and blend this out, guys, if you want to. I'm going to use the Morphe M505 and just blend out the edges. The thing I like about these guys too is if you don't have a lot of time to do your makeup, this is something super simple and it only takes 1 to 2 shades to create. And it gives you a really nice finish on the eyes. Okay, so you can see, guys, this is how the I Gotta Go shade looks on the eyes. It looks really pretty, really metallic. It looks really nice just by itself. Now for the grand finale, guys, I'm going to make a winged eyeliner. I'm going to use this color from Limecrime. It's the color Teacup, and I'm going to use this eyeshadow brush from Essence. So this is how the eyeliner would look, guys. And something more out there for people that like to use color. This looks really cute. Obviously, it looks a little off because I don't have mascara or lashes on. But once they go on, it really looks really nice. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some mascara on, maybe some false lashes. I will see in a second and come back and show you how it all looks put together. So this is the final look, guys. As you can see, I did not wear false lashes. I just wore my own. I'm using the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I applied 2 to 3 coats. Now this is something I would wear typically on the weekends or for an event. Especially right now with summertime, I like to use pastels and really bold colors. And this is a softer way to do it. Also for other people that don't wear a lot of makeup, you could start off by doing things like this. And that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps somebody out there that didn't know that you could use specific things for other things on the face. So if you want to learn how to do any more things or have any more suggestions on videos that you guys want me to make, feel free to leave it in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to tell yourself that you're beautiful. Don't forget that you're worth of so much more. Don't doubt yourself. If you want to go outside with crazy makeup, go for it. People will always talk about you. People will talk good or bad. It all depends on how you take it. So I will see you in the next video, and bye for now. Live open, vivid.